Marissa. Okay, now what we're going to do is a game called Miscalling the Colors. Miscalling the Colors. So this is how this works. So I want you to take out a color. Okay. Here, you take out a color. You take out a color. You take out a color. That leaves me with the white handkerchief. But this is called Miscalling the Colors. We're going to call this one purple. Purple, okay? So I'm going to set that right here, and we're going to play a little game. So hold one in each hand. Take one and hold it in each hand. In this red one, we're going to call blue. The blue one, we're going to call red. The green one, we're calling yellow, and the yellow, we're calling green. So hold up the red handkerchief. Very good, the red handkerchief. Okay, put it down. Now hold up the blue no, hold it in your hand. Now hold up the blue handkerchief. Very good. Okay, put it down. Now hold up the green handkerchief. The green, very good, the green handkerchief. Okay, put it down. Now hold up the yellow handkerchief. Very good. Now put it down. Now hold up the blue and the green handkerchiefs. The blue and the green. That's the blue and the green, right. Okay, put them down. Now hold up the green and the yellow. Green, that's the green there. There's the yellow. Okay, put them down. Now hold up the red and the green handkerchiefs. The red and the green. That's the green. That's the red. That's the red. Okay, put them down. Now hold up the blue, the red, the yellow, and the green. Hold them up. And let's give our two volunteers a big hand for coming up here and help me. And now we're going to go over this and ask you what colors these are, okay? What happened to my white handkerchief? Okay. Now. Okay. So I got them all here. So what's this one?
Purple.
Purple. That's right, purple. Okay, let's go through these colors. Which one is this?
Green. Wait, no, red.
It's red, right. This one. Green, right. This one. Yellow. And this one. And how many am I holding here? One. Yeah. And that's the end of the show. Thank you all. Yeah.